In today's video, I'll be discussing 7 essential apps for Windows that everyone should install right away. Before we continue, hi, I am Yusuf from Oscar Tech. I am an online instructor. On this channel, I make videos on data analysis, tech productivity, and many more. So if any such content interests you, please consider hitting the like, share, and the red subscribe button. And also do not forget to click the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you when I upload any such content. Installing apps will probably be the first thing you do, regardless of whether you recently bought a new PC or had Windows reinstalled. Even though there are dozens of fantastic Windows programs, knowing which one is essential for Windows 7, 8, 10, or Windows 11 installation makes it simpler to set up a new installation. I have provided the links of all the software we are going to discuss here. Let's go through 7 Windows apps that is necessary for everyone to install right away. The first one is Internet Download Manager. Internet Download Manager supports proxy service, FTP, and HTTP protocols. It also supports audio and video content. IDM interact into Microsoft Internet Explorer, Opera, Chrome, Mozilla, etc. The best thing about Internet Download Manager is that you can also drag and drop files or use Internet Download Manager from the command line. Based on what you set up, Internet Download Manager can download the file you want and then hang up or even shut down your computer when it's done. You can download it by clicking the link in the description as I discussed earlier. Now the second one is Google Chrome. As we all know, Google Chrome has been the most famous browser everybody have been using. Unsurprisingly, Google Chrome continues to be our preferred browser. It features a huge selection of Chrome extensions. It's really quick and offers small comfort like the ability to instantly search Google Lens for a picture. You can open your desktop tab on your phone and vice versa with cross-platform, making this a super browser for all users. Chrome is not without flaws, though with Google Chrome, you can accomplish a lot of things. I will make a video on so many things that you can do with Google Chrome, so just check out. The third software we are going to talk about here is cloud storage, which is Google Drive. Due to the quantity of free space it offers, Google Drive is the cloud software service you should install if you can only choose one. It includes 15 gigabytes of free storage that you may use for Gmail, Google Photo, and other Google services. You can take your data anywhere with Google Drive because it provides apps for all the popular platforms. The desktop program makes it simple to back up folders on your computer and external device, in addition to syncing data you store in the designed Google Drive folder. Additionally, sharing files with others is really simple, and the service integrates seamlessly with Google's Office suite. Google Drive is a must-have program for Windows 10 and Windows 11 users, whether you use it as part of your backup storage as a cloud flash drive or to create a shared folder with others. You may obtain a lot of storage space and organize your folder logically by service when combined with OneDrive or another free cloud storage service. Now let's talk about Office suite. The best Office suite is Microsoft Office. Chances are you will need a productivity suite that lets you work with documents, spreadsheets, and presentation at some point. No Windows user should go without Microsoft Office, but there are other ways to get it for free. You can pay for Microsoft Office if you have money, but there are other ways to get it for free, some of which are free but not legal, while some are legal. I have a video on how to get Microsoft Office 365 for free and legal, so if you want to get it for free, feel free to go and watch a video. The link is in the description below, and please don't forget to subscribe and share to others so that they may enjoy the opportunity. The fifth type of software we are going to talk about is Malwarebytes. Windows 10 and Windows 11 include Windows Defender, which is a good enough antivirus for most users. However, it's wise to keep a secondary security program installed to supplement it. For this, you cannot beat Malwarebytes. The free version lets you scan your system for malware that your antivirus might not catch. And for a powerful blended security solution, upgrading to Malwarebytes Premium is worth the cost. The sixth type of software we are going to talk about here is VLC and Port Player. You can choose one of these, they all serve the same purpose. You probably don't watch local video very frequently because your YouTube is so widely used. All users should still retain a reliable video player on their desktop in case they ever need to play media file locally, even if you don't immediately think to download it on a new computer. It will be used at some point. VLC Media Player, which has a ton of functionality, and Port Player, which can play almost every video and music format imaginable, are the best options for this purpose. Although you might not use it frequently, download VLC and Port Player while you are configuring your PC. You will avoid having to fiddle with video codec or use QuickTime, which video has supported for a long time. The seventh type of software we're going to talk about is WinRAR. Simple size files are supported by Windows natively. A file extractor is still a necessary PC utility, so you can work with any type of achieved data you can encounter. And it may interest you that this is the most integrating software category. File extraction and compression programs use WinRAR. They are compact, quick to install, simple to use, and remain out of the way when not in use. Advanced functions are still available in WinRAR for those who require them. Either way, you can certainly don't need to pay for tools like WinRAR. Don't forget that all the software I've listed here, the link is in the description below if you want to download them. If you enjoyed the video, do me a favor by subscribing to my channel, like the video and share it. It is free. It won't cost you anything. Thank you for watching this video.